Hi, Kidoos. We are going to learn days of the week. S U N D A Y. Sunday. 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 MONDAY. 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 TUESDAY. 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 WEDNESDAY. 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 THURSDAY. 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 FRIDAY. 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 SATURDAY. 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 7 days of the week. Songs of 7 days of the week. Days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days of a week. Once again, kiddos. Days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. 7 days of a week. Phonic sound of 7 days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days of the week. Thank you, kiddos.